Hi, welcome back to Hostbox Series channel and welcome back to Python series. This is a series and where it is for beginners who are learning the Python here. Today the topic you are going to see here Tuple in Python and the practical session with Python ideally 3.8 is the latest version. The previous session I told what are the data types available in Python, what are the data types supported by Python, and numeric sequence and boolean etc. One of the tuple is one of the data type in the Python. So this session we are going to see what is tuple and what is the main difference between the tuple and list, and how to create tuple and how to access tuple items, and how to specify range of indexes in tuple, and how to update values in tuple, and the tuple operations like length, concatenation, membership, maximum and minimum minimum value finding in the given tuple. So what is tuple? A tuple is a sequence of immutable Python objects. The difference between tuples and lists are here. The tuples cannot be changed unlike list, and tuples use parentheses, whereas lists are square brackets. A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. So keep in mind that tuple is a one, it should be immutable in Python. That means you can't change one. So if you create the tuple means you can create only. You can't change, you can update. Now how to create table? So if you want to create a table, I am going to, for example, in the Python script I am going to write a program called t.py. So I am going to create a table. The table name called equal to, I am saying this table is equal to, where I am giving apple, banana, cherry with open inverted comma, close inverted comma. Then I can print step by step print of this table. So to print once created successfully table created, you can print it. So you can create a table, empty table also. So in the Python mode, I am going to create here. Assume that the program is t.py. Time saving, just copy paste here. So Python ID is there. So enter. Then I want print the elements in the table. So I can give the print of with the square bracket and execute here. Enter this table. So what are the elements in the table? It will create a successfully. So you can n number of elements if you want, you can create not only characters, not only strings. You can you can insert the numbers also, or else both combination also possible in the table. Then you know how to access tuple items. So you can access tuple items by referring to the index number comma inside square bracket, where you can say example t1.py. Here suppose in this the below program Python script I want to print the only second item in the table. So we can give this table of same, and I want to print only second element. So I want to print only second element. So this table of 1, when I give like this, the 0th element. So you know, similar to C language and arrays, here also the elements start from the 0 position, start from 0 1 like 0 1 2. Here there are 3 elements is there. The first element is banana. Let's check it here. So already we created the table here. So I want to print the first element. So if you want to print the first element, you can use the which element you want with the number, specify the number with square bracket. So I can just copy paste here. Just I'm giving enter. Yeah, the table successfully working. So it will print the first element of the given list, that is given table, that is banana, is printed successfully. Then now see another question. Okay, how to access tuple, how to specify range of indexes in tuple. So there are range of indexes. If you want, you can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. Here example, we are going to create a script called t2.py, where this tuple equal to, I am giving some information additionally, apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango, like that. So here there will be, if you want to specify the range of indexes in the Python, the tuple support for this one. For example, here we are going to use the range operator. Later we will tell elaborately what is range function, what is the range operator, everything. The print this tuple of 2 colon single colon 5 and square bracket close bracket. So whenever give like this, it leave the first element, 0th element, first element. So it will start from second one and leave the 5. The meaning is when I go 2:5, what happen? It will print the second element, third element, fourth one. It leave the fifth. That is the meaning of range of indexes. So I am going to execute here. So I am going to create this table with some additional information. So previously created only 3 elements. We are creating another elements like orange, kiwi, melon, mango. Just press enter. So now successfully this tuple is created. There is no traceback error. Now I want to apply the index operator, so I can print. So print this tuple of square bracket 2:5. So if you want to give 2:4, 2:3, so 2:4, 2:6, whatever you want, you can specify and press enter. So it's showing now leaving the 0th element, first element. So second element started, second element cherry, third element array, and fourth one is leaving the fifth one. Start from second and leaving the fifth last one. That is the way of specify range of indexes in the tuple. Then how to delete tuple? So in order to delete tuple, the delete keyword is used here. So it's very simple. You can, and moreover to keep in mind that removing single element in the tuple is not possible. So what you can do, for example, I am going to create the tuple here, again creating and delete. So just you can delete entire tuple. If you want a single element, delete a single element or a single information from the tuple, not possible. So I am copying again. Keep in mind that we are going, now we are creating the cherry like that. So now I want to delete. So what I can do, I can just use the delete with the tuple name. Delete space, the tuple name is this tuple. Copy, paste here. Yes. So now successfully deleted. How do you know? If you again try to print this table, it will say traceback error. That means the tuple is not available. So now that this tuple is deleted successfully. That is the way of delete or removing the tuple in the Python. Then how to update values in tuple. Once table is created, you can't change its values. Tuples are unchangeable or immutable in the beginning of rows. Keep in mind that can you update value in tuple means is highly impossible, not possible. Python not supporting. Now we see the few things here. The tuple operations: length, concatenation, membership, iteration, and maximum and minimum. There are several tuple operations supported by the Python concept. Python data select tuple, but we are going to see only few. If you want to learn basic of Python, these are sufficient. First one, length is a function. Length is a function where it determines how many items in the table, and we can use the length method. If you want to find how many items in the table, you can use the length method. The syntax is length of tuple, where assume that we are going to write a script called t4.py, where I am going to print the number of items in the table. That means how many elements or how many items in the table. So again because just now we deleted the tuple, this tuple. So again I am creating the table with 3 elements. So easy, and we can apply the syntax with the print statement. So I am creating now, enter. So there is no error. Then we go back here, and I want to print the length of the tuple. So print of in square by in the bracket you know length function, okay, write len only, len of tuple name, that is this tuple. So I just I'm giving here. So like that you can create number of tuples. So it's saying 3 because there are 3 items in the given this tuple. If you want to create 4, 5, 6 like that, then these are one operation called length operation. The next one is the concatenation. Concatenation is what? Adding 2 things. Concatenation of the tuple is the process of joining 2 or more tuples. It is done by use of plus operator. Keep in mind that whenever to concatenate or join two items in the tuple, we can use the plus operator here. Example, we are going to write a script called t5.py, where OEM mentioned everything. Example means either if you want you can execute in the Python ideally, you can execute, or you can execute in the Linux mode also, you can execute with, and you can save the file as .py. So assume that we are going to create a tuple one called where is the elements called A, B, C strings. I already told you the tuple can support the mixed data types, so strings and number everything. So I am creating a tuple 1 where I am typing the elements A, B, C with the double quotations. Enter. So like I am going to another tuple called 1, 2, 3, just numbers means no need of quotations here, single quotations. So tuple I am going to give, and tuple 3 I am going to combine. So enter. So I create a tuple 1 with ABC and tuple 2 with 1, 2, 3 elements. Now tuple 3 concatenation. Just now I told you, if you want to join two items or 2 tuples, you can use the plus operator, is mandatory. So copy and paste. So I am pasting here. So enter. So now we have created the tuple number 3 where it have a combination and item of tuple 1 plus tuple 2. How do you know everything? You can give the print statement. So you can give the print with tuple name, the new table name what we created now. Control plus C. So just you can paste here. So simple and easy tuple is, yes, we are successfully created the tuple number 3, where the tuple number 3 we have information of tuple 1 item, that is ABC, then tuple 2 1 comma 2 followed by the tuple 2. This is a way of concatenating the Python, not tuple values in the Python tuple items. Then another operation is membership. So we know what is membership. We can test if an item exists in a tuple or not. So whether the item is existing in the tuple or not, we can use a membership operator, where we can use the in keyword. Okay, one of the keyword, and also it returns to if the element is found. Otherwise, say false. Example, we are assuming that there will be a program called the t6.py script, where I am going to create my underscore tuple is called apple, apple. Then print, I am going to check two items. So one by one I am giving print a in my tuple, and another option giving print b in my tuple. So you can execute. So just copy. So just creating the table in another tuple in another method. So I am creating, just give enter. That means you have created successfully my underscore tuple is a tuple name. Then I want to check whether print a in tuple. So if if the item available, it will say true, otherwise say false. So just check the first condition here. Enter. Yeah, it's saying true because a in the my underscore table a is available, percentage, a is percentage. Then we say another option, print b in my tuple. Copy. So whether items exist in the tuple or not, just give it say false. Yes, because the b is not available in the above tuple. So like that you can check the membership operator with the help of in keyword. This is in one of the keyword in the Python. Then last, iteration. So one more option in the Python, we can, using the for loop, we can iterate through each item in a tuple. So for example, we are going to create a script called t7.py, where you can use a for loop for name in John, Kate. Then I am giving print hello name. So what will happen? It will print hello John and name Kate sometimes. That loop. So number of times it try to print. Let's check it here. So simple only. Paste, enter. Yeah, syntax error coming. So what I can do means I try to give one by one for naming. Control C. Enter. Just entering here. Print hello money. Yes, it's printing. So if you give properly, it will give one by statement. So it's printing hello John and hello Kate. So like that we can use the loop statement. That means iterate through each item in the tuple. So it's possible in the Python tuple concept. Then we come to the last. To know what is maximum and minimum already. To find the maximum value in the tuple, you can use the maximum function. While for finding the minimum value, you can use the minimum function. The syntax for maximum and minimum is maximum of tuple, that's a tuple name, and another is maximum tuple, minimum of tuple. So I'm going to see. I'm going to again create a small program here. So I'm going to create a tuple here, that is t is equal to some numbers. Then I can find one by one maximum and minimum. Copy. Okay. So I want print maximum of t. Maximum of the tuple name is t. Then minimum of t. So simple and easy. Enter. Yeah, the above tuple, the minimum is 1 and maximum 9. So like that we can do number of operations in the tuple concept. Okay. These are points I want to convey about the data types. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and support and wait for more updates. Thank you.